Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. We help folks with big tax problems. You pop my name into Google News, you'll see all the articles I've been quoted in about taxes and tax relief and offering compromise and things like that. But today, what I want to talk about is state wage garnishments. Okay, because these can be a real beast to deal with. IRS wage garnishments, they're I don't want to say they're easy to deal with, but they're easier to deal with typically than state wage garnishments. Once the state has got its claws on you, namely has got its claws on your paycheck, unless you can prove hardship, they're very reluctant to let go. And typically the best that anyone will be able to negotiate, again, apart from hardship or an improper garnishment, apart from those two things, the best anyone will likely to be able to negotiate on a state wage garnishment is simply a reduction in the garnishment. Okay. Now, that reduction can be very little, right? It can go to a very small amount, right? But they will typically still have it there. This is different in the IRS, where the IRS will often, well, I shouldn't say often, but they are more willing to release a wage garnishment in favor of an installment agreement, right? A direct debit installment agreement where the money is taken out of your bank account every month than states are. And you can see why, right? Because that installment agreement, even if it's a direct debit installment agreement from your bank account, hey, you could just call your bank at any time and tell them to stop payment, right? And then default in that installment agreement. With the wage levy in place, right, that's not going away. You can't just tell your employer, hey, stop sending my money to the state, because what's the state going to do? Then the state's going to go after the employer, right, for the garnished amounts, right, or the amounts that should have been garnished and remitted to the state. Okay, so that's how that works. So if you are currently dealing with a state wage levy situation, I want to make sure your expectations are accurate and reasonable. Okay, so if you contact us, we're not going to be like some other shop who's going to tell you, hey, oh yeah, we can get that release, no problem. No, it's not going to work like that. It's going to be a hard negotiation with the state to get that levy probably reduced is kind of the best factor there, unless again we can show hardship and pursue some kind of hardship-based resolution. But of course, not everybody qualifies for hardship or hardship-based resolutions. Anyway, folks, if you're dealing with a state or federal wage levy, bank levy, you just have back tax debt, unfiled tax returns, give us a call here at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX for a free consultation. You can also fill out the form at our website, choicetaxrelief.com. We will reach out to you. And I have some other videos over here on the left-hand side of your screen about wage levies and bank levies and things like that. Anyway, folks, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.